Our first product is Revolve Tray Box. This small but miraculous box will put an end to the mess in your home. Yes, you heard right. Everything will be in its place and organized now. Revolve Tray Box works magic with its unique rotating mechanism. Thanks to its 3-layer rotating tray, all your small items will be easily accessible. HoloPet Elish creates a virtual playground for your pets. With holographic images, it will attract your cat or dog's attention and keep them entertained for hours. Moreover, it easily fits into any corner of your home and installation is extremely simple. All you have to do is turn on the device and watch your pet have fun. Do you find snow removal a nightmare in the winter months? SnowShark is for you. This incredible device makes snow removal a breeze. Its ergonomic design makes it extremely easy and fast to use. All you have to do is pick up the SnowShark and run it over the snow. And voila! The snow disappears in an instant. Novotropes has incredible visual effects that take you to a galaxy and inspire your imagination. Working with special algorithms, this device creates unique and fascinating patterns every time. Just press a button and create a work of art before your eyes. Fluid Stance is a balance board that helps you maintain your balance while standing. If you're tired of sitting and standing still for hours at the office, this device is for you. By standing on the balance board, you can work your muscles, improve your posture, and feel more energetic throughout the day. Guitar Bar is a clever accessory that you can attach to your guitar. This small but impressive device shows you the correct chords and notes when you place them on the frets of your guitar, allowing you to learn instantly. Yes, you heard right. You no longer need to take hours of lessons to learn how to play the guitar. Kin Onion Work Sharp is a knife sharpening system that allows you to easily sharpen all your knives. This extremely simple device is suitable for users of all levels. Whether you are an amateur or a professional chef, you can make your knives razor sharp with Kin Onion Work Sharp. Nuwa Pen is an incredible smart pen that takes your writing experience to the digital world. It instantly digitizes notes, drawings, and sketches you write on any paper. Yes, you heard right. Now you can instantly convert your handwriting into digital format. Let's talk about the power of Hodo 20V. Thanks to its powerful 20-volt motor, it easily overcomes even the most difficult jobs. Wood, metal, plastic, whatever it is, drilling is child's play with Hodo 20V. Moreover, it offers an ideal solution for every job thanks to its interchangeable tips and adjustable speed options. First of all, Hitch Home is a multifunctional device that allows you to make your home smart. This small box allows you to control almost everything in your home. It is possible to turn the lights on and off, adjust the thermostat, watch security cameras, and even control the curtains. Moreover, you can do all these with just a few touches. But one of the most impressive features of Hitch Home is that it works with voice commands. Yes, you heard right. You can take control of your home with voice commands. When you say, "Hey Hitch, turn on the lights," the lights turn on instantly. Override A Life is a foldable helmet developed especially for cycling enthusiasts. Yes, you heard right. You can now easily fit your bike helmet into your bag. Normal helmets can be bulky and difficult to carry, but Override A Life completely eliminates this problem. When folded, it becomes incredibly small and can be easily carried anywhere. EEG Sleep Monitor is a sleep monitor that analyzes your sleep patterns by monitoring your brainwaves. You put this device on your head before going to bed, and it records your sleep stages, deep sleep duration, REM sleep, and waking frequency in detail throughout the night. When you wake up in the morning, it gives you a comprehensive sleep report. WinBot W1 Pro makes your windows spotless with just one touch. It sticks itself to the glass, scans the entire surface with its smart navigation system, and leaves not a single stain behind. How? Thanks to the high-tech sensors on it. Amazon Astro is designed to help you with your daily tasks at home. It is small, but its skills are big. Whether it is patrolling to provide security or reminding you of your shopping list, Amazon Astro is always with you. One of the biggest features of Astro is its smart home security. Thanks to its advanced camera system and sensors, it can monitor every corner of your home and send you instant notifications. You can keep an eye on your home even when you are away. One of the most fascinating features of this tent is its large interior volume and comfortable design. You can move around comfortably inside and place your belongings in an orderly manner. In addition, it provides the ideal temperature in all seasons thanks to its special insulation system. The Nemo Stargaze Recliner is much more than a traditional camping chair. It is not just a chair, but also an ergonomic and comfortable seating experience that swings like a hammock. When you sit in this chair, you will feel like you are on a cloud. Vabrum sucks in all the dirt you vacuum in seconds thanks to its integrated vacuum system. You just press a button, and everything you vacuum disappears. Ostrich chairs are much more than ordinary camping chairs. Thanks to their ergonomic design, they perfectly support your body while providing maximum comfort with their special cushions and adjustable sections. Whether you use them on the beach, in the park, or in your garden, ostrich chairs offer you unique relaxation in every environment. GymPal is more than just a fitness tracker. This smart device tracks your workouts, evaluates your performance, and offers you personalized workout recommendations. With GymPal's advanced sensors, you can instantly check if you're doing your moves correctly and maintain your form. Govee Neon allows you to express your creativity with its flexible and shapeable structure. You can have a unique lighting experience by drawing the pattern you want on your wall, furniture, or any surface. Whether you create a modern or classic design, everything is up to your imagination. This incredible lighting system can instantly change the atmosphere of the environment with 16 million color options and various dynamic modes.